Sticking to its winning formula, the 2025 Buick Envista returns for its second year with no major changes. This compact SUV remains the affordable gateway to Buick's world of comfort and quality. Hi, welcome back to NamCar channel. Today, we're setting our sights on the 2025 Buick Envista, a compact crossover offering a luxurious twist on everyday driving. Stay tuned. While major design overhauls aren't on the menu for 2025, Buick might be adding a fresh exterior paint color to the palette, giving you more options to personalize your Envista. This crossover continues to strike a balance between rugged good looks and a modern aesthetic. The signature Buick grille with sleek LED headlights and the prominent emblem remain center stage. Hop inside and you'll be greeted by a cabin focused on comfort and premium materials. The 2025 Envista might see an upgrade to the infotainment system, possibly boasting a larger touchscreen or enhanced software features. Expect standard conveniences like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to carry over, making smartphone integration a breeze. Under the hood, the 2025 Envista is likely to retain its fuel-efficient 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, churning out 137 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque. This engine prioritizes getting the most out of every gallon, making the Envista ideal for city commutes and daily errands. As a new twist for 2025, Buick might introduce compatibility with the 85 ethanol fuel. This would give you a more budget-friendly fueling option while reducing emissions, a win for both your wallet and the environment. The smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive configuration are likely to stay put, with all-wheel drive potentially offered on higher trims. Buick prioritizes safety in all its vehicles, and the 2025 Envista is no exception. Expect a comprehensive suite of standard features to keep you protected, including automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, and lane keeping assist. The Envista positions itself as a compelling choice for those seeking a refined and comfortable driving experience without sacrificing practicality. So, what do you think about the 2025 Buick Envista? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe and like for more car news here at NamCar channel. Thanks for watching.